Okay, so I'm pretty much finished. Wanna know how much y'all think we're gonna get off this batch of coils when we go scrap it. Leave in a comment below, beginning of the video. I have probably about 10 compressors, maybe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 over there. Probably about 20 coils, 25 coils. So the people that don't know, so we use a sawzall to cut the little metal pieces from the end, because you get more bang for your buck if you do that. They do like reefer 1 is what they call a reefer 2. Basically it's dirty copper and clean copper. So if you cut the metal off, it'll turn to clean copper, you'll get more. So let's say you get $1.20 per pound if you clean it. If you leave this metal on here, you may get like 50 cents or 30 cents. It'll completely cut it in half, your profit. So you want to clean those up. I know some people, they'll even cut their U-bends and put these in like a 5-gallon bucket. I just don't have time for all that. But like this stuff here is good though. Like I say, but you can cut all these off if you wanted to. It just takes time. It may be even worth it. If I cut all this out, there may be an extra $50. But if I leave it like this, for all this right here, I may get $20 for it. But if I was to cut all that metal out of there, that could be out maybe $100. You never know. But and all these are copper coils. The aluminum coils, I never really saved the aluminum coil, but I think this come out of train unit right here. I think this aluminum. So all this is here is copper, but I think this aluminum, the spiral coil part of it. But either or, you know, like your grandma used to say, cans back in the day, a bag of cans. This aluminum coil by itself might probably about that could be about 5 big bags of cans. So won't hurt. I throw it on top when I get ready to do it. So far my chassis or my frame of my units, I already got it loaded up on the truck. So I'm just gonna dump it. They got a junkyard at the scrap where you can just throw your trash and stuff away. So I'm gonna haul it off now. I got, like I said, I got it loaded up. These fans right here, I usually take the blade off. I really don't even feel like doing that. Some of them stuck on there pretty good. Like I said, it probably take me another 30 minutes to take all the blades off. So I don't really know if they're gonna penalize. One time I went there, he said don't worry about the fan blades, just leave them on there. Like I say, though, I usually just take them off. I know some people even go the extra mile. They'll open these up and it's some copper spewed, you know, around in there, and they will like this right here. So this one right here, they will even just get the copper so they can have clean copper, because this clean copper right here. Of course, when you get the chassis on there, it'll weigh more, but it kind of devalue because it's not clean copper. But you still may get about $2 or $3 per motor. But we'll see. So leave in the comments how much you think this is. So it probably took me a total. I worked on it about, this is my 3rd day working on it out here. Each day I probably spent about 4 hours totally working on everything. And so we'll see how much I get. Hope I get at least between 500 and 1,000. I'll be happy. So if you do 4 hours per day, so there'd be what, 12 hours. So we can divide that and see how much I got paid per hour scrapping this, and we'll see if it's worth it. So let's say if I do, anyway, we'll do the math later. So anyway, like I said, I got my truck loaded up with just the junk, and then I'm gonna come back and scrap this, take it to the scrap yard, and we'll see how much we get. How much y'all thinking now? All right, so this is the first load. All this is this junk. So I can just trash this. So all the tops where I took the motors and the coils off. Then they'll scrap here for it back here. Put it back. Alright, so that was just the junk. So we are, trying to zoom in on it, we are $27 richer. And that just says iron. So we're $27 richer. Let's go make some more loads. Alright, so on this load here, got my little scraps, got my fan motors. Fan motors on here. This aluminum coil, that's why I threw it on here. This aluminum coil also. As you see on the aluminum coil, I kept the metal on there. You got all the compressors in there. Alright, so we'll see what this load gonna do.
¿Otro cuarto? ¿Tuyo? Ya lo hay.
How much?
1192.
1192. 1192. That's a good day there.
Dile que este motor así mi tío nos va a estar cagando el paro que tú. ¿Cómo? It's a motor.
Yeah, I know.
Motor mixing. Yeah. Digo yo ahí, Felipe, tú me conoces, pendejo.
All right. So them compressors was 1,100 pounds. Just for the compressor, the alarm. We're at 383.91, so they rounded off 384. 384, I think we had what, about almost $30 on that other one, so we're a little over 400. A little over $400. Got about one more load to go. Let's see where we at. So if I can get a lease.
Winter time 2008 in December around criminal time, I can call the J. Mama facing prison time, barely had to play the state.
How much think we were gonna get? All right, so we got the coils loaded up. Got one fan motor tried to escape, but all these coils here are cleaned up, and these copper coils. I got one aluminum coil on top. All right, so let's see what we got.
Bitches told me dirt cheap.
Straight buzz down. Amigo. Straight slab. All right, let's see who the winner is. Who guessed correctly. Kind of hard to focus on that, but I got 635 off the coil. 635, so I know I went over my goal. So who guessed correctly? We can add them up. We'll get the calculator and add all the white papers up, but you see the big faces. See the big faces. Big face, small faces, blue faces, all faces. All right, so since this camera won't focus, I'm gonna try to write big. And we'll add them all up. All right, so this one right here is 635.10, 635.10. All right, that's 635.10. We got 383.91, 383.91, and the first one a clean $27. Let's see who the winner is. I need to do this in my calculator. 10, 15, 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and we got 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's $1,000 and 1 cent. Let's see if I added that correctly. We got 635 and 10 cents plus 383.91 plus a 27. Yep, that's what we got. So there we go. That's focusing right there. There we go. 383 635 and 27. Alright, that's all. And what I say, let's see how much we get paid per hour then. I just divide that by 12. Like we did 12 hours. Let's see what we got. Divide that by 12. So we got 104601 divided by 12. So we made $87 an hour. $87 an hour. That ain't bad there. With no supervision or nothing. Just a little hustle. Alright, hope everybody liked the video. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Thank you.